Imagine being able to press a button and earning $4 in less than 30 seconds. I mean, how great is that? In just a minute, I'll teach you how to watch a basic video like this. You may start making $200 to $500 each hour by watching a video. This is mind-blowing, and all you need is a smartphone or a computer to execute this strategy, which is 100% free and available worldwide. In a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and which video will pay you the most money quickly. I'll also show you an actual example of how to get started, plus a bonus tip at the end of this video that will help you make an extra $400. So make sure not to skip any part of this video and pay attention to the end. Let's get started with the video. First, go to google.com and search for the keyword twitch.tv. Then hit the search button and you'll see the first link right here, twitch.tv. Click on this link, which will take you to this website where you can find a variety of videos and channels that you can watch for free. Most of these videos are gaming videos. Therefore, we're about to use videos like this one to make a lot of money online. Right now, I want you to click on the browse button on top, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can browse through different categories or videos that you can watch on this website. From there, you can go down below and discover other categories of different videos that you can watch. I want you to concentrate on this category, which is the Fortnite category, since this is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. So go ahead and click on this category, which will take you to the Fortnite section, which has over 62 million followers. Many people are interested in watching these videos. When you scroll down below, you'll see even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. Now, going on to the next stage, I want you to go to this website, oak.io. This is the website that we'll be using today to watch simple videos like this, and to learn how to make a lot of money online. Don't worry, this is very simple, and I'll show you precisely how to do it in this video. Take a look at how it works. First, you must register for a free account on this website. After that, you'll be able to shorten a long URL link. Let's assume I copy this video link. Then, return to this page and paste the Twitch TV URL link, then click this button to shorten the URL. This is the shortened link that this website provides, and anytime people click on your shortened link, you'll be paid per click over and over again. Depending on who clicks on it, you'll earn a different amount of money based on what country they're coming from. For example, individuals from Germany can earn $5 when they click on your link, while individuals from the United States can earn $5.10. That is exactly how all of these people from all around the world were able to make money online, sometimes even hundreds of dollars, by simply posting a short video link here on this website. Take a look at this. There are currently over 373,000 people that are actively using this website and earning money daily. They can provide you with a variety of payment options, such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Let me show you how to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on the sign up button on top, and you'll be taken to this page where you can register for new membership for free with no investment required. Simply enter your username and email address, confirm your password right here, and click on this I'm not a robot and submit button. After that, you may log into your brand new account. Right here on the statistics page, which is also the homepage, you can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make right here on this website. This is a brand new account, and we haven't shortened any links yet, so you can see that we haven't earned any money yet. Now I'm going to show you some actual examples of how to do this. First and foremost, I want you to return to Twitch TV and look in the Fortnite category for 3 videos. I click on this video right here, the first video, so let's go back to the video. I open up multiple browsers and open up video number 1, number 2, and number 3. We're going to go back to the first video, and I want you to go down below and click on the share button, and then copy this video's URL link. Simply click on copy and then we'll return to our account's dashboard, where we'll enter the Twitch TV link into the box, and then I want you to click on shorten. This website will automatically shorten this link into a lot shorter link. I'm simply going to copy it right now. So I want to give you this done for you script right here. This is my Fortnite video post where you can simply copy and paste and use it right away to start making money. I'll give a brief introduction about this game and then say something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. This is where we'll paste the shortened links to the 3 videos, and every time people click on your link, you'll get money. For example, let's assume I'm going to paste the shortened link under the first video. This is my first URL link, so every time people click on your link, you'll receive a different amount of money depending on which country they're from. For example, if someone from Norway clicks on your link, you'll make $4. Now simply repeat the process and return to the second video. Simply click on the share button and copy the long URL link. Click on the copy and we'll return to our dashboard to remove this one right here by clicking on delete. And then paste the new URL for the second video right here and click on the shorten button. Once again, the website will automatically shorten the URL into this link right here. And then all I have to do is click the copy button and return to our copy and paste template, where you can put the second link right here on video number 2. We'll go to the third video, scroll down below, and click on the share button once again to copy the video URL link. We'll then go back to the dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, and click on the shorten button. Finally, here is our third video link, which we'll simply copy and paste into the template, and that's all you need to do now. I'm going to give you the full template that you can copy and paste, and by using it, you can finally start generating money right now. As always, I'll give you a bonus tip at the end of the video. Now I want you to go to this site right here, forums.pcgamer.com, which is a very popular and well-known community where people discuss various gaming topics, including Fortnite videos. I like this site since it is completely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. There is a lot of active discussion and people talking about gaming every day. There are over 22,000 messages and over 300 posts under the PC gaming discussion, under General Gaming. Let's say I click on this link and it takes me to this page where you can find different posts. Many people are writing very short and very simple posts on this forum, and they're getting a lot of views. There are just so many options right here on this website. Now when I search for the Fortnite keyword, I can see that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about this topic, and there's a lot of demand in the gaming videos area right now. You can see on Twitch TV that over 62 million people follow Fortnite videos. This forum is a great place to copy and paste and share the exact template with everyone inside the forum, and then you can make money whenever people click on any of your shortened links and depending on what country they're coming from.